Good morning students, I am Deepali Patil, your maths teacher from Sri Eknath Rao Khadse Talent School, Muktai Nagar. In this section we are going to study question number 3 of our exercise 4.3. Find the roots of the following equation: x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Okay, so we have to find out the roots of the given equation, means we have to find out again two values of x. Okay, so here you can see here the given equation which is given to us is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so first we have to convert it into quadratic equation. Okay, so so first write down the given equation. Let x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Okay, so this is our given equation where x is not equal to 0. Okay, if x is 0, then we cannot form the quadratic equation. Okay, so and that's why x is not equal to given is given to us. So this is our given equation. Now convert this equation into quadratic equation. Okay, how can we convert? By cross multiplicating. Okay, so x into x is x square minus 1 into denominator of x is 1, so 1 is equal to 3, and therefore we can convert it into quadratic equation as like this. Denominator is remaining here upon x and is equal to 3. Okay, now again we have to cross multiply here. Okay, x square, see in this side denominator of 3 is 1. Okay, so cross multiplication, we can take the cross multiplication. X square minus 1 into this 1 is equal to 3 into x, and therefore now transpose this 3x to LHS side. We can write like this: x square minus 1 minus 3x is equal to 0, and therefore we get x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now if you compare this new form equation to our general form of quadratic equation, then we can say that it is a quadratic equation. Okay, so write down here which is a quadratic equation. Okay, the new equation form is a quadratic equation. Obviously the highest power of variable x is 2, which is a quadratic equation, in variable x, obviously, and therefore now this quadratic equation, we have to find out the solution or roots of this given quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation in x. Okay, now we have to find out the roots of this equation. Okay, so you can use the any method, completing the square method or formula method. Okay, quadratic formula method. So I am taking here quadratic formula method. So while converting this to means first after before finding roots, we have to compare this given equation with our quadratic equation. Write down: on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get, after comparing the given quadratic equation with our general form of quadratic equation, we get the values of a, b and c. So a is equal to what? Obviously coefficient of x square is 1, then b is equal to coefficient of x. Okay, coefficient of x is minus 3. With sign we have to take again and again. I am telling to you, we have to take with sign in quadratic formula method. Okay, means if you are taking the values of a, b and c, then take that values with sign. Okay, c is equal to what then? Minus 1. Okay, now we have to find out capital D here. Capital D is equal to what? B square minus 4 AC, which is equal to, now put this all values in this equation. We get minus 3 bracket square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 square is 9, minus into minus 1 is plus 4, is equal to 13, and therefore we get capital D is equal to what then? 13. Okay, now find out the value of x, and therefore x is equal to what then? Minus b plus minus under root of capital D upon 2a, which is equal to, here minus sign is already already present in the formula. Okay, and put the value of b is what? Minus 3, minus of minus 3 plus minus under root of d is what? 13. Okay, 13 upon 2 into a is 1. After substituting all values, we get 3 plus minus root 13 upon 2, and therefore again we get two values of x here. Okay, plus minus sign is there, and therefore again we get two values. X is equal to 3 plus under root of 13 upon 2, or we get x is equal to 3 minus root 13 upon 2. Okay, and in this way we get two values of x, again 3 plus under root of 13 upon 2, or x is equal to 3 minus under root of 13 upon 2. Thank you. Now take the next example of question number 3, second example. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. Okay, now in this example again we have to write the given equation. Let 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. Okay, 11 upon 30. Again we have to find out the value, two values of x here, but quadratic equation is not given to us, so convert this equation into quadratic equation. Therefore by taking cross multiplication in LHS side, we get 1 into x minus 7 minus this 1 into x plus 4 upon multiplication of denominator x plus 4 into x minus 7. You know very well how to take the cross multiplication. Okay, which is equal to 11 upon 30. Therefore now solve this. 1 into x minus 7 is x minus 7 minus, after multiplying minus sign with this bracket, sign becomes change. Okay, positive x becomes negative x. Okay, and minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 upon, now take the multiplication of these two bracket. X into x is x square, then x into minus 7 is minus 7x. Okay, plus 4 into x is plus 4x, and plus 4 into minus 7 is minus 28, is equal to 11 upon 30. And therefore we get x minus x get cancelled, minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. Okay, this x cancel with this x because same variable is there but having different sign. Okay, then it becomes cancelled, so we get minus 11 upon x square minus 7x plus 4x. Okay, minus, here variable is same, so take that variable outside, means common. So if we take it at outside, then only constant terms are remaining, means minus 7 plus 4. Now take the addition of this minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4 means what? Minus 3. Okay, minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 upon 30. Okay, now now divide throughout by 11. Okay, both the side, divide both the side by 11. We get, write down here, dividing both the sides, by 11, we get, see here, after dividing this side to 11, okay, 11 and this 11 get cancelled, and in this side after dividing this side to 11, we get 1 upon 11. Okay, if we divide both the side by 11, then this 11 get cancelled and we get only 1 upon 30. So 1 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 upon 30. Okay, 1 upon 11 becomes cancel by after dividing both the side by 11. And now again we have to take the cross multiplication. Minus 1 into 30 is minus 30 is equal to, now multiply this term. Okay, now take cross multiplication. We get x square minus, okay, 1 into x square is x square, 1 into minus 3x is minus 3x, minus 28 into 1 is minus 28, and therefore now transpose this minus 30 to RHS side. We get x square minus 3x minus 28, it becomes positive, plus 30 is equal to, in LHS only 0 is remaining, and therefore x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the factor of this given quadratic equation. You can use any method by splitting the middle term. Okay, splitting the middle term, you can use that method. Again by completing the square method or by quadratic formula method. Okay, so I am using the quadratic formula method here. Okay, so compare this given equation with our general form. So write down here, on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, okay, coefficient of x square, b is equal to coefficient of x is minus 3, and c is equal to what? Constant term, okay, which is equal to 2. And now find out capital D. Okay, capital D we call it as a discriminant. Okay, capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac is what? Discriminant of the given quadratic equation. So capital D means discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to, now put all values, minus 3 bracket square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 2, which is equal to 9 minus 4 into 1 into 2 means minus 8, and hence we get 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Okay, so discriminant D is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 1. Okay, now we have to find out the value of x. So write down here x is equal to, okay, already we have find out the value of ABC. Now find out the value of x, and the formula is minus b plus minus under root of capital D upon 2 into a, which is equal to, now substitute again all the values. Okay, b is what? Minus 3. Okay, minus of minus 3 plus minus under root of D is what? Already we have find out capital D, and D is what? 1. So under root of 1 upon 2 into a is what? Coefficient of x square. A coefficient of x square is 1. So a is 1, which is equal to minus minus become plus, multiplication of 2 minus number is plus 1. So we get 3 plus minus under root of 1, we know very well root 1 is 1 upon 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, and again we get two values of x here, therefore x is equal to plus minus sign is there, and that's why we get two values, 3 plus 1 upon 2, or we can say that x is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 2, and therefore we get x is equal to 4 upon 2, or we get x is equal to 2 upon 2. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 3 minus 1 is 2, and therefore we get x is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, or we get x is equal to 1. Okay, and in this way, by using quadratic formula method, we get x is equal to 2, or we can say that x is equal to 1, and therefore the roots are what? Then write down the answer in one sentence. So the roots are 2 and 1.